Let's make some eggplant stir fry. First, you need some eggplants. I have 3 that's been sliced up. It's about 1 pound. And these are the rest of the ingredients. You need a medium onion, chopped. White parts of the scallion, about 1/4 cup. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. About 4 to 5 ounces of pork. They've been diced up. Serrano pepper and finger red pepper. So let's get started. I'm going to heat up my wok in high heat. So I'm going to add some neutral oil. I am using some rice bran oil, a couple tablespoons. We're going to cook the onion and scallions. And the garlic. Add some sea salt and black pepper. Just a pinch. Ooh, that was too much. Okay, keep stirring like nothing happened. It's been about 1 minute. I'm going to add the meat. Okay, the meat is almost done, and the onion is transparent. This is what you're looking for. Give me some room in the middle. All right, here goes the eggplant. 2 more tablespoons. Keep stirring. I'm just gonna have it sit here for a little bit. I actually added more oil, and because eggplant absorbs a lot of moisture, so if I don't add that much oil, it just won't get cooked and look like this. So see how the eggplant is now more golden? And it's more wilted, so now it's ready to be seasoned. I stir fried for about 4 minutes in the oil, and it'll look like this. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. Two tablespoons of mirin. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of doenjang, and 1 tablespoon of Korean gochugaru, 2 teaspoons sugar. I think I need more water. So I added 1/4 more cup of water, so that's a total of 1/2 cup of water. And you just stir fry it. So now I'm going to lower the heat to medium and just let it simmer. The sauce kind of gets all into the eggplants. Spicy, it's savory, it has a little bit of sweetness. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, just because I think it'll bring out the flavor. A drizzle of sesame oil, and it is pretty much ready. Turn off the heat and add my chopped peppers and the green part of scallion I didn't use before. And just give it a quick stir like so. Finish it off with some sesame seeds. Looks so good. Eggplant stir fry. Savory, sweet, and a little bit of spice. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. 맛있게 드세요.